this video we will add some more element. Before we continue, I want to explain on how I set the pattern, hatch pattern here to the floor, so then it's represent the tiles. So you can see here I already also already add a floor on the toilet. Okay, let me select. So how to select the floor here? When we simply click here, it's not selected, so we hover the cursor nearby one of the element and then like this, and then press tab button. So then you can see the blue line surrounding the floor that we want to select, and then click selected, and then go to edit type, and then structure here, then select the finish style here. Then you can see we have the identify tab, graphic tab, and appearance tab here. So the appearance will be on appear when you do rendering or on the detail render view. So then here, so to create the tiles view on the shaded and consistent color, we go to surface pattern, foreground. Here we select from here, by default it is none, so we select the crosshatch, and then before we continue, we need to modify this. So actually it's coming from the I duplicate the ceramic tile here, and after that right click and then duplicate material and asset, and then select this one, and then create new name, ceramic tile 50 centimeter. Then after that we can do modification the crosshatch, because the crosshatch here this the what call it, the original one, so the pattern none. So ceramic tile here 50 centimeter, and then later we will create the 25. Let me see the different ceramic tile here, and then crosshatch here, and then we select here, and then we do modification here. Crosshatch, this is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter. And then you can select whether the orient to view, keep readable, or by default it is orient to view. Okay, and then you press OK, then okay here, then this what call it, the pattern will appear, but this is only the what call it, represent when it is 1/100. So let you see here when we the view scale change to 1/10, so it's become smaller. So it is actually suitable for 1/10 view scale. Okay, this is the same goes to this one. Hovering a little bit to the corner or to the what call it, to the wall, and then press the tab button, so it will select all, and then we select another one, still not selected. So then that one select, there we select. So this one we already created floor for the toilet. This is lowered by 3 centimeters. Okay, here and here we still don't have the slab floor. You can do either manually, or you can copy some simply like that. Tab, sorry, select, then you just simply copy. So when you select the floor, so then you can see that it will go to the modify floor here, whether you want to change the boundary, or you can do some, if you press this edit boundary, so then you can see then it will, you can edit the boundary. And then I don't want to edit the boundary, and press X here, and I want to copy this one. So then this is move, and then this one copy. So we copy, and then first select the this one, the grid line here, and then after that I move to this, and then you can copy another one to this one, because the size is equal. Done. So let me see the cross section, I mean the section view. You can see this is the floor on the I mean the main floor, and this one is the toilet floor. so it is lowered by 3 centimeter. Okay, anyway, like that. So then you can see here it's still not joined, so you go to modify, then press join here, click here, and then click here, so it will be joined. Click here, and then click here, click here. It's a more appropriate detail like that. Okay, so the ground here, you can see here, it is not the same as this one. You can, because this is the, I think, the logic lah. So soil is what you call it, have the moistures, something like that. So then water will penetrating the what you call it, the particle, seeping through the particles of soil. So this it's better practice. So then you plaster it first, and after that you have the backfill the area with the soil or something like this. So then it protecting the, I mean the plaster here protecting the wall here, so then the water will not penetrating this one, something like that. Okay, so it is correct practice lah. That's why it is not joined. This one different because we already have the slab floor more denser, and this is the concrete cast on place, so it can join to the wall. Okay, then return back to the level 0 here. Same goes this one, and then you can see here I add some doors here. Let me add doors here. So then we go to architecture, and then select door. Then we have a door single. Let me see what we have other than that one. 810. So this the smallest that we have here. So we can still have smaller, because normally the doors for what we call it, toilet is only 70 or 60 centimeter in width. Okay, so then you can duplicate this one, and then let me change to 710, and then this one maintain the 2 meter, then press OK, and then after that you have to change here the rough width to 710. So then automatically it will change as well the width. Then okay, so then here you can see is the wall ready to place. So let me place it here. Okay, then you can see the spacing from the edge of the wall is 100 millimeter. So it is okay. Or if you want to make it smaller, you can change later. So let me set this to 100. So then here, escape to release the what do you call it, the construction process. You can see here the spacing from the edge of the surface of the wall here to here. So like that. Okay. Okay. Then you can change manually here. Press 50 like that. So it's closer to that one. Okay. Then you can see the placement of the door panel is not appropriate. So then we can do a modification by change this one. Press this button, flipping, and after that we flip like that. So this open inside. Okay, then we can simply copy, or we can just place that using place the door here and put it here, like that. Let it 100. And then after that we manually change to 50. Enter. Also this one, change to 50. Then we have this, the window. Can see here we have the open I mean, this is supposed to be what do you call it, tiles. So what you need to do, so then we select this nearby here, hovering, and then press tab. Maybe you cannot see. Select, and after that we do edit boundary. So edit boundary here to ensure we have the tiles to this edge. Okay, so then what we need to do, we do some modification here. I add the rectangulars here, and then to this one, supposed to be, and then after that do this. So then because there is an overlapping, so just escape, okay, and then select this line, this rectangular shape boundary previously, and then delete, and you have to modify this line, so by slicing. So you have to slice this by slice using split element here to where you have to slice. You can see here the preview of slice. So then you slice to this line, and after that slice to this line. Okay, and after that you select, then it's already sliced, and then delete. So then let me see here, done. So then you can see that the floor here go through this. Let me see, we rotate this. Rotate, then we want to see the floor that there. This is supposed to be here. Then this area is lowered, and then this one is the, let me check the elevation of this one by press tap here, click, and then oh, no wonder it's offset by minus 30 as well. So then we set it to 0. So double click it. You can see that. So this is normal floor, and then this is toilet. Okay, so then the detail here, let me modify, join this one. Like that, small, appropriate. So then you can see there is a gap, and then the tiles here go through this, but it's supposed to be go to here, because this one rob maybe because the structure, and then this is rob. So this is the way we manage the floor. Then same goes to this one. You have to do some editing. So here then press OK. Done. So it has the what do you call it? This one, it has the I mean the floor system that continue, but not continue here, because there is a gap a little bit here in the line here, because the boundary is coming from here. If you can also you can manage to have the line at the middle here, so then it's said but this one it's cut the tile into this segment. Okay, anyway, so we already managed to have this one. So then same procedures will can be added, and you can add some more what do you call it, doors and windows. We have doors here, Windows, let me set the windows on this one. I'll go to architecture and then go to windows here and then select the windows. You can see here windows is quite high here. I want to have a smaller window. This one is bigger. Let me see what is the detail here. Window frame glass, width and height is too big. You want to have the height only 300 or 500 only. Cancel, and then let me check. Let me load family here, and then looking for the more windows for the toilet. Window up here. Let me see whether it has like this. Concepts plus. I think we don't have. Oh, then you can just simply modify that window that we have and then change the height. Okay, so then instead of 900 we want to change it to 500 only. Edit type here and then duplicate, make it 500. 10 here, then OK, and then height 500. 10. And then OK. Let me place it here, but it's still big, very big. So we can change this to edit type here instead of edit type here. Maybe we can rename it. It's too big. Maybe it is too wide. Maybe 600. Okay. There is one 600. So if we change this one, okay. So put it here. Can change the position later. Like that. Let me see. Let's escape. Normally outside there. Okay. Okay. Then we can continue with other things here. So let me copy the floor here to the upper. This is the source view. The source view here, and then let me make it higher. Then we can do something like this. Detail fine here. Then we select all the object here if you want to have the same, or we only select the what do you call it, the wall, and then by filtering we don't want the doors because we want to have a different arrangement of room. So we want to select only the walls, not even the windows, the walls, and then press OK. And after that you can do a copy to clipboard, then paste to where selected level. You can do like that. So since the elevation is equal 3,500 and also this one is 3,500, you can select the paste to align to selected level. Select to level 1 and OK. Like that. do I select the doors previously? I think no, I don't select the doors. So let me see on the 3D view. Oh, I select the doors as well. Let me change. Ctrl Z. I don't want the doors. So then let me copy this, and then we filter, and then we don't want the doors, we don't want the floor, we don't want the walls, and then apply like that. Okay, then after that we copy to clipboard, right, and then paste selected level to level 1. And okay, supposed to be we don't have the door, supposed to be anyway, it's not follow the we don't. So then we can do some modification here. Let's say we don't want the this area, the doors here, so you go to level 1. So then you can just simply, let's say we don't want the toilet room here, so you select all this, okay, and then delete. View section. Okay, the selection section, we have to untick the section for the view. Okay, and delete like that. So then the floor there is coming from the lower level. Okay, so then we don't have the wall, so maybe we can also delete this. Delete. So then we can do some modification at our I mean the room that we want to have here. Maybe we want to have open space here, or maybe we let me have the same room here. Ctrl Z. Right. Okay, then we can add the floor here for this, and go to architecture, and then floor architectural, and then since this one is an open hall, so we can directly use this one, but later we have to change the what call it, the layers on the floor here. Select this one, and then since this one the second floor, so instead of this one, so then we can directly go to this section of this. Later we can edit the boundary, fill this, escape, and then do some modification to detail, because this one is not really okay, good enough. Then after that we press this one, okay, architectural floor. Let me select this one and click boundary. Yeah, boundary, and then click it down, and then select this one, not attached. Let me see, and 0. Apply. Let me see what happened to this one. So then it's supposed to be here, we attach this one to the top base. So let me go to this level 0 here, or we can edit the top level elevation here. Supposed to be this offset level 1 here. Top constraint, and then top offset we minus thickness of the floor. Okay, anyway, so then we go to the level 1 first, and then select the floor, You need to delete them. Okay, apply. So then we remove. The smart. And select as well this one. See, control and lowered by -150. Apply. So we have the floor. Also this one. Okay. Let me check this one. So but this one need to change like this here. The floor here. Instead of this one, we select the floor, different floor type. Let's say this one, using this one. Let's say it's 150, 60. Maybe you can change it later. It's 150 and then 51 is 200. You also tick. Anyway, okay. This one is 0. Apply. Supposed to be like that. Okay, that's all.